Good afternoon, this is Tina. This is gonna be our last solution for how to serving a huge file. And it's very, very, very simple, okay? And I think you already know. It's using pipe. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go to create a new file called the solution3.js file. And in the solution 3, I don't want to go through those steps, okay? Go through these steps to create a server. So here I'm gonna remove everything on the server. And I'm gonna stop this previous server. So how to do that? We're using file system.create read stream, okay? And here we're using big.file, okay? And we already learned pipe. So here we're using pipe. RES. Do you remember the RES is what? Is a writable stream, right? So we read from here, then we stream to this response. Response on the server side is what? Is a writable stream. Okay, so that's it. See, compared on solution 2. Okay, so many lines, okay, and this is the pipe solution, one line of code. So let's run this one. Solution3.js file. Okay, so here we're gonna do we type this one. Works, right? It's keep streaming now. Keep streaming, okay. So this is the last solution, okay, to using the pipe. Okay, but actually this one is the easier one, and there are other solutions to do that. If you want, you can take a look at, which is using the child process, which is we talk about the Node.js is a asynchronous, only has one thread, right? It actually has a thread pool behind the thing. Event loop is one single thread, but in Node, suppose when you're doing the file system or make a database connection, the actual part is also using a multi-thread. And there's one you can also using a child process, okay, which is the big task, which is this computation. I will leave to another process to do that, which is save the time on your main, the event loop, that part. If you're interested, take a look at it by yourself, okay? Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye-bye.